Welcome to the Iceberg. I'm Shivam Kale, your host for today's exploration into the gut-brain axis. We delve into how gut health influences our mental well-being, uncovering the intricate relationship between our digestive system and our brain functions. What is the gut-brain axis? Well, it's a bidirectional communication system between the gastrointestinal tract and the central nervous system. It's connected by many different pathways, neuronal, hormonal, and some immunologically based pathways. The central nervous system is essentially your brain and spinal cord where all the processing occurs. And the gastrointestinal tract, or the GI tract as it's called, is essentially the entirety of your digestive tract, including your mouth and throat. The gut-brain axis is very important since it regulates several different bodily functions like digestion, and mood, and even some part in cognition, the way you think. This connection is caused by the enteric nervous system, or what people like to call the second brain, because it contains almost 100 million neurons and acts almost fully independently of the brain to regulate gut functioning. The enteric nervous system is actually divided into two main plexuses of control, the myenteric plexus and the submucosal plexus. And in all simplicity, basically, the myenteric does the gut motility, which moves your food around, and the submucosal releases mucus and other antimicrobials and proteins inside your intestines. But what's more important is that both the gut and brain can impact one another because of how connected they are. One of the most critical components of the gut-brain axis is the gut microbiome. This community of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, reside in our intestines and play a significant role in our health. The gut microbiome influences brain function through the production of neurotransmitters and other metabolites. For instance, certain gut bacteria produce GABA or serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. In fact, 90% of the body's serotonin is produced in the gut. One of the most important mood neurotransmitters in the brain isn't even produced in the brain whatsoever, demonstrating this importance in understanding the connection between the gut and brain. So how exactly do the gut and brain communicate? There are several pathways involved, including the vagus nerve, which acts as the main line of communication. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve and runs from the brainstem all the way down to your abdomen. It transmits signals in both directions, allowing the brain to monitor and influence gut activity, and vice versa. In addition to the vagus nerve, there are also chemical messengers called cytokines, which are part of our immune system and play a role in this communication system. Hormones like cortisol, produced in response to stress, can also affect gut function, leading to what we often refer to as gut instinct or gut feelings. Studies suggest that imbalances in our gut microbiota composition may contribute to conditions like depression and even others like neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's have been linked to gut health. This means that taking care of our gut health can be an essential part of managing mental health conditions. Probiotics, prebiotics, and a diet rich in fiber can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. So what do we do to support a healthy gut-brain axis? Well, here are some practical tips. For one, you want to eat a balanced diet. You gotta have plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and sometimes fermented fruits like yogurt and sauerkraut. You gotta always stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is always crucial for your gut health. Managing stress is also good. You can practice mindfulness, meditation, yoga, and all of these can help reduce stress and support a healthy gut-brain connection. Exercising regularly is also important. Physical activity promotes a healthy gut microbiome and overall well-being, and quality sleep is essential for both gut health and brain function. Stress can disrupt the gut-brain axis, leading to gastrointestinal symptoms and affecting mood as well. Emotional experiences can also influence this function, highlighting the complex dynamics between mental and gastrointestinal health, where both are mutually dependent on the other for stability and good health. Ongoing research continues to uncover new insights into the gut-brain axis. From clinical trials to cutting-edge technologies, scientists are exploring how modulation of gut microbiome could revolutionize mental health care. There have also been many connections made between the gut-brain nerve promoting the spread of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's by giving an avenue for the alpha-synuclein, which is the main marker for Parkinson's, so to say, to enter the brain through the vagus nerve. As research continues to delve into the gut-brain axis, we are slowly uncovering the many secrets behind treating mental health and neurodegenerative diseases. I hope you all learned about the importance of the gut-brain axis and how researching further into it can serve to peel back the more enigmatic layers surrounding mental health issues and the pathogenesis of neurodegenerative diseases. This is Shavam Kale, and as always, keep diving. Peace out.